Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for joining us, Uncle Ricky, on the Uncle Ricky Radio Show for eFlexonics. Now, today's show is going to be very special because I'm going to teach you how to code. You know, coding. And some of you are going to say, Rick, for crying out loud, man, I can barely turn my computer on and use a mouse, let alone code. I promise you that everybody will be able to not only learn this code, but use this particular code to improve your business every single day from now on. Grow market share, increase profits, please your customers. I mean, what could be better? Okay, give us a couple of moments to put in a word from one of the best networking agencies on the planet, and then we'll let you in on a little secret. You ready? Just trust me. It's going to be fun. I guarantee it. You got to be a little bit curious, right? Okay. All right, we'll see you on the other side. Bye. Well, folks, that's a wrap for this week's show. Don't forget, next week we're going to have Andrea Chapman in the studio. And we're also going to take Andrea out into the community. We're going to pass out her flyers, her business cards, some of her samples, products, and we're going to get the feedback from those customers to find out how her marketing is working. So don't miss that. That's going to be a tremendous show. This is Rick Holland for Uncle Ricky Radio and eFlexonics. We'll see you next week, everybody. Bye-bye. Take care. Hi. My name is Rick Holland, and I want to put a shout-out for Jennifer Hensel's organization. It's called the ConnectNowNetwork.com. I'll put the URL just above my head. And the deal is, if you never network with your business, you will pass up a huge opportunity to be able to connect with other professionals to grow your business, maximize profits, and get a handle on the market share. Some people say the economy is tough. Well, guess what? That very rarely, if at all, comes up when you're a part of Jennifer Hensel's group. So come on, join Jennifer Hensel. It's $60 a year, and I'll tell you what, it's well worth it. That's $5 a month. Don't forget about the summer camp coming up. Back to the radio show. Take care. Well, this is Uncle Ricky, and we want to welcome you back to the radio show. We've been talking to Andrea Chapman. All right, everyone, we're back. Uncle Ricky for Uncle Ricky Radio and eFlexonics. Now, I promised you in the first little part of this video that I would teach you how to code. This is a personal code for you that will affect your business every day in a very positive way. Now, here, let me set the scene for you. Set the stage. When you get tired in your business and it's not growing the way you want, and let's face facts, everybody's the same. We have ups and we have downs, right? The trick is to have more uptime than downtime. When you sit down in that comfortable sofa every night, and that's the worst piece of furniture you can ever own because it's comfortable. The TV's right there. The coffee or, the dinner plate is right in your hand, and you spend so much time watching TV. Let's get back to coding. Think to yourself, if you know that you've got stuff to do on your business and your business is being negatively affected, here's the code that I want you to write down on a piece of paper. I'll put it above in a URL, just above my head. No coding experience required. Here's the code. Are you ready? Write this down. So if you ever say to yourself, am I going to let this action negatively affect my business? Here's your personal code. Nope.com/not gonna happen. Get out of that sofa. Get off that chair. Get off of whatever you're sitting on and go do emails, go return phone calls, go do your blogging, go update your newsletter list. Here's the code again. The code that is going to change your business forever. Nope.com/not gonna happen. Every time you have a negative thought, that's the code you use. Wasn't that fun? Wasn't that enjoyable? And you thought you couldn't code. Ha! Everybody can code that. This is Uncle Ricky for Uncle Ricky Radio and eFlexonics. Thanks so much for joining us, folks. We'll see you next show. Bye-bye. Take care.